Ilmari Aalto was born August 7, 1891. Died September 29, 1934. He was a Finnish painter. He was a member of the expressionist November group led by the artist Tyko Sallinen. Aalto painted still lifes, landscapes and portraits. Most of Aalto's landscape paintings are of Töölö and Suursaari. Aalto together with Alfred William Finch aided Eero Järnefelt paint the large landscape Koli at the Helsinki Central Station in 1911. Jarnefelt and Finch were more involved in the design, but of the three artists only Aalto dared to climb the tall ladder. Having begun with expressionism, he also got familiar with cubism in 1914. Seeing an Edvard Munch exhibition at the Ateneum soon after his graduation had a strong influence on him and built on the expressionist influences. The first exhibition by cubists and expressionists was held in Finland in 1914, featuring key artists such as from the group Der Blaue Reiter. After the 1920 trip to Paris, Aalto began to use more colors and strong brushstrokes instead of the previously grayish palette. Later, while visiting Paris in 1928, he adopted a more realistic expression. Clear contours and unmixed colors, strongly self-critical. He is said to have destroyed many of his works.